5 important facts about logistics that school never teaches you. Manufacturing English listening practice. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tiny Better Days, the channel where you can improve your English while learning real things about manufacturing and factory careers. Today, I want to talk about something many students are curious about: logistics. A lot of people think logistics is just shipping boxes or booking trucks. But there are many things schools never tell us. So before you choose this career, here are 5 important facts you should know. And honestly, some of them might surprise you. First, logistics sounds exciting, but it's actually very competitive. A few years ago, logistics was booming, especially around 2019 to 2023. Online shopping exploded. International shipping increased. Companies were hiring everywhere. And many people thought, wow, logistics is the future. But today, things are different. There are now too many logistics companies competing with each other. Some repetitive office jobs are slowly being replaced by AI tools. And because global shipping is easier now, competition is much tougher than before. One of my friends works at a top logistics company, and he told me something shocking. Out of 10 new sales employees, maybe only 1 or 2 people still stay after 3 to 6 months. That's crazy, right? Because this industry looks cool from the outside. But inside, the pressure is very high. Still, if you really enjoy solving problems, communicating with people, and learning new things every day, there are still many opportunities waiting for you. Second, logistics jobs are very different depending on the company. When people hear logistics, they usually think it's only one type of job. But actually, logistics in each company is completely different. Let me explain. First, logistics companies or forwarders. These companies help customers arrange shipments. For example, trucks, containers, warehouses, customs clearance, international shipping. Inside these companies, there are many roles. Sales staff finding customers, a pricing staff checking shipping costs, document staff preparing paperwork, customs staff working with customs officers, warehouse operation teams. Honestly, this environment is usually very fast-paced and stressful, but you can learn a lot very quickly. Second, trading companies. These companies buy products from one country and sell them to another country. Usually their logistics team is smaller. Sometimes only 1 to 3 people handle documents, shipping schedules, and communication with forwarders. Third, manufacturing companies. This one is probably the closest to my channel. Manufacturing companies import materials, produce products, then export finished goods worldwide. And depending on company size, there are many specialized positions. Purchasing, a warehouse, import-export, production planning, supply chain management. So if you want a more stable environment compared to forwarders, manufacturing companies can be a good choice. Next, let's talk about money. The highest income in logistics is probably sales, because I know many people care about this part. In logistics, sales positions usually have the highest income. Why? Because they bring customers and revenue to the company. But this is also one of the hardest jobs. You need communication skills, confidence, patience, negotiation ability, and strong mental health. The income difference is huge. Some beginners make around 8 million VND per month, but experienced salespeople can earn more than 100 million VND monthly. That's why many people try logistics sales. But not many people survive long term. If you want to try this career, my advice is: learn every day, improve your communication, build relationships, and don't be afraid of rejection, because rejection happens a lot in sales. Fourth, logistics gives you stress, but also valuable skills. Honestly, logistics is one of those jobs where problems happen every single day. A shipment is delayed. A container is missing. Customs rejects a document. A supplier changes schedule at the last minute. Floods, storms, traffic, system errors. Everything can happen. That's why problem solving is one of the most important skills in logistics. And communication is also super important. Because when problems happen, you need to explain clearly, calm customers down, coordinate with suppliers, and sometimes deal with angry people. Another important thing? Attention to detail. Sometimes one small spelling mistake on a shipping document can delay an entire shipment. And fixing logistics mistakes can cost a lot of money. So if you are careful, patient, and organized, you may actually fit this industry very well. And finally, I want to share one of the most valuable skills in logistics and supply chain schools rarely teach. Sourcing. This means finding better suppliers, better prices, better materials, or better services. Even if your company already gives you supplier lists, smart employees still continue searching for better options. Because if you can help the company save money, improve quality, or reduce delivery time, you become very valuable. And honestly, many people eventually build their own business because of the connections and supplier networks they developed in logistics. That's why sourcing is such a powerful skill to get exceptional income from this career. So yeah, logistics is definitely not an easy career. But if you enjoy a fast environments, solving problems, communication, and international business, it can become a very exciting path. I hope this video helps you understand logistics careers a little better, while also improving your manufacturing English listening skills. And if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Because I want to continue making more videos about real jobs and real experiences inside manufacturing companies. Now let's move to the second part to reinforce your understanding and improve your speaking skills. In this part, I will repeat one sentence from the previous section and ask you 3 short questions. Try to answer them quickly and simply in English. Let's begin. Logistics sounds exciting, but it's actually very competitive. Is logistics an easy career? No, it is competitive. Why is logistics competitive now? Too many companies compete. Do many people choose logistics? Yes, many people do. There are now too many logistics companies competing with each other. Why are logistics companies competing? The market is crowded. Are there many logistics companies today? Yes, there are many. Is competition stronger than before? Yes, much stronger now. Some repetitive office jobs are slowly being replaced by AI tools. What is replacing some jobs? AI tools are replacing. Are repetitive jobs safe now? No, not really safe. Can AI help office work? Yes, it can help. And because global shipping is easier now, competition is much tougher than before. Is global shipping easier today? Yes, much easier now. Why is competition tougher now? Shipping is more accessible. Do companies compete internationally now? Yes, around the world. If you really enjoy solving problems, communicating with people, and learning new things every day, there are still many opportunities waiting for you. What skills are important in logistics? Communication and problem solving. Should you keep learning daily? Yes, definitely every day. Are there still job opportunities? Yes, many opportunities exist. Logistics jobs are very different depending on the company. Are all logistics jobs similar? No, they are different. What affects logistics roles? The type of company. Can logistics work vary a lot? Yes, very different roles. When people hear logistics, they usually think it's only one type of job. What do many people misunderstand? Logistics is one type of job only. Do people know all logistics jobs? No, usually they don't. Is logistics only one job? No, many different jobs. But actually logistics in each company is completely different. Are logistics roles always the same? No, completely different. Do companies need different logistics tasks? Yes, depending on business. Can work environments change greatly? Yes, very greatly. Trading companies buy products from one place and sell them to another place. What do trading companies do? Buy and sell products. Do trading companies export goods? Yes, to other countries/places. Do they trade internationally? Yes, they do worldwide. Usually their logistics team is smaller. Are trading company teams large? No, usually smaller. How many logistics staff are common? Only a few people. Do small teams handle many tasks? Yes, many different tasks. Sometimes only 1 to 3 people handle documents, shipping schedules, and communication with forwarders. How many people handle logistics? 1 to 3 people. What documents do they manage? Shipping and logistics documents. Who do they communicate with? Forwarders and suppliers. Manufacturing companies import materials, produce products, then export finished goods worldwide. What do manufacturing companies import? Raw materials and parts. What do they export? Finished products worldwide. Do they produce goods locally? Yes, before exporting globally. Depending on company size, there are many specialized positions. Do large companies have more roles? Yes, more specialized roles. Are logistics tasks divided clearly? Yes, into departments. Can company size affect jobs? Yes, very significantly. So if you want a more stable environment compared to forwarders, manufacturing companies can be a good choice. Are manufacturing companies more stable? Yes, usually more stable. Who may prefer manufacturing companies? People wanting stability. Are forwarders more stressful sometimes? Yes, often very stressful. The highest income in logistics is probably sales. Which logistics role earns most? Logistics sales position. Can logistics sales earn well? Yes, very high income. Is logistics sales challenging? Yes, extremely challenging sometimes. Learn every day, improve your communication, build relationships, and don't be afraid of rejection. Should you stop learning skills? No, keep improving daily. Why is communication important? To build customer relationships. Should salespeople fear rejection? No, never fear rejection. Because rejection happens a lot in sales. Does rejection happen often in sales? Yes, very frequently. Should rejection discourage you? No, keep moving forward. Do successful salespeople face rejection? Yes, all the time. I want to share one of the most valuable skills in logistics, and supply chain schools rarely teach. Sourcing. What valuable skill is mentioned? Sourcing skills. Do schools teach sourcing well? No, not very much. Is sourcing important in logistics? Yes, extremely important. Sourcing means finding better suppliers, better prices, better materials, or better services. What does sourcing involve? Finding better suppliers. Can sourcing reduce company costs? Yes, significantly reduce costs. Why do companies need sourcing? To improve efficiency. That's the end of our lesson today. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you really want to improve your English from this lesson, try listening to it 1 or 2 times every day, repeatedly, until you can talk about the topic naturally in your own way. That's one of the best ways to improve your listening, speaking, and vocabulary at the same time. Enjoy your English learning journey. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more manufacturing English listening practice videos. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.